too hard or whatever. Now I'm just worried about them putting nail polish and plucking their eyebrows and stuff, you know. Are you wearing nail polish? Brother, this is a masjid of no judgment. I didn't judge him. I'm just saying, you're a guy wearing nail polish. What's wrong with you? Oh my God, you can't talk to him like that. You hurt his feelings. Imagine Umar ibn Khattab here, hurt some feelings, right? That's why I'm saying, like you talk about Khilafah, but you're not ready for it. Man, imagine if you get a real Khalifa, man, ooh, my anxiety has made it, I can't go for Jummah. What? We need to strengthen ourselves. Men need to be men, step up to your role. And women need to be women. I can do anything a man can. I don't think so. I cannot do everything a woman can do. I cannot give birth. Allah didn't give me that. I'm not going to try to fake that. I'm not going to be out there, no, I can not pray a week every month as well. I can do anything a woman can. No, bro, you got to get up for Fajr every day. No breaks. Allah gave me a role, gave you a role. Learn your role and live by it. But see, now when I'm saying this, you guys are getting worried, right? If they could end the stream, they would right now, but I'm going to keep going here, right? Be real.